You ever look at a robot and feel like, huh, yaar, I can actually chill with this guy? That's exactly what I felt watching this. This isn't some futuristic robot doing cartwheels. This guy is folding clothes, bringing chai, serving cupcakes at birthday parties, and the funny part, it feels totally normal. But here's the real kicker, it's not about putting robots inside high tech factories. It's about putting them in real life messy homes where things go wrong, where people scream, where no one follows rules.
The messiness that is being human.
Because when a robot keeps doing the same task again and again, it stops learning. Even we humans get bored and dumb doing that. Same logic. These robots need full on chaos to get smart. Just like how ChatGPT wasn't trained on only Shakespeare, it was trained on the entire internet. Reddit, the good stuff, weird stuff, total nonsense, all of it. That's what made it smart. So now the question is, what's the robot version of the internet? Now it's not some textbook. It's your kitchen, your street, your mom shouting, keep your shoots outside. That's where the real training happens. And like Jensen Huang said,
Everything that moves will be robotic someday, and it will be soon.
and after watching Neo, I believe him. But if these robots really want to learn, just send them to India. Let them handle potholes, cows, auto rickshaws and diagonals, people crossing the road mid scroll. Let them survive an angry uncle shouting, Oi, kya kar raha hai? Then we'll talk. Maybe that's why Indians are so resilient. We've grown up in the toughest training ground on earth. Robots need their own version of the internet. And maybe it's not Wi Fi, it's life. So, yeah, I can totally imagine talking to one like it's my flatmate. Neo, pass me the remote. We're not just building better robots, we're rediscovering what it means to be human.